Imagine your factory's AI stops a critical machine. What happens next? This scenario raises vital questions about decision-making in predictive maintenance. As AI systems take control, accountability must be addressed. Today, we uncover the ethical dilemmas emerging as AI wields influence over maintenance processes. First, let's discuss bias in algorithms. Many AI systems learn from historical data. Unfortunately, this data can perpetuate unfairness and discrimination. If an AI system is trained on biased data, it may produce skewed predictions. This bias can lead to poor decision-making in maintenance. Next, we must consider the human-in-the-loop debate. Should we grant AI full autonomy? Or should humans remain involved in crucial decisions? Finding this balance is essential. Humans bring valuable insights that can enhance AI accuracy. But too much reliance on human oversight can slow down response times. Transparency is another key aspect. For trust in AI, we need to understand its decision-making process. If AI's reasoning is unclear, users may struggle to trust its predictions. Explainability helps users grasp AI logic, making it easier to determine if intervention is necessary. Let's look at a relatable example. Imagine a power grid controlled by AI. If it fails to predict a blackout due to biased data training, the consequences can be severe. Here, accountability becomes critical. Who should be responsible? The developer, the user, or the AI itself? Clear guidelines are essential for responsible usage. To summarize, ethical AI in predictive maintenance involves addressing bias, human oversight, and transparency. As we move forward, these components will shape the future of AI. Awareness of these dilemmas pushes for necessary safeguards. Now, take a moment to reflect. What steps can you take to advocate for ethical AI? Start conversations and share your thoughts. Together, we can build trust and accountability in AI systems.